Hey guys, this is Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. This is my daughter and I. She's gonna assist me with today's project. So today, I got this InBike Brand bicycle computer that I wanted to install. Come here and show. So this is it, and I bought this off eBay for 15 bucks. This bicycle computer tells you information like, hold on. What time is it? What's the odometer? Like how many miles you've driven your bicycle? What's the current speed? Distance. So it's good in a sense if you are like not hardcore, or like they probably go with a lot better one. But this is for like a beginners to intermediate level, and this is wireless, so I don't have to run a wire. So the difference between wireless and wired is the sensor is connected to wired and it feeds the power off the computer. And this one, it takes a CR battery, the coin one for the sensor, and also the computer. So let's get started with the installation.
Here you go. What?
So we're opening it up.
Yep. Of course. Here.
Can you put this on? This is the computer right here, which Anaya is gonna keep holding it.
Yep.
And it comes with a sensor, a magnetic sensor, and a computer holder and a cable ties. So let's get started.
Papi, can you show them one more time?
All right, folks. So this is what I did. I put a little the glue foam. It came with the foam that has a glue, so it's like glue pad type of thing, so it doesn't, sensor doesn't move much. So what I did was like I put that on and I put the cable ties through the sensor, and I'm gonna put them on now so it doesn't move. And you simply just tighten the cable ties here. That's it. You're gonna pull the cable ties.
I don't know what are cable ties, guys. So here. So just listen to my dad. I don't know any of this. Don't listen to me. Just listen to my dad. He knows everything. And because he's Jimmy's DIY. And he practices a lot of.
So I'm gonna just take a plier and then tighten up a little bit more. That's it. And I'll snip off it later. And then you have. Alright, so I took off the little nut thing from the spoke magnet, and I'm gonna put this through. And the spoke magnet should be right underneath, behind the sensor.
Get me, guys, because I don't know any of this stuff. My dad knows a lot of stuff.
You just hand tighten that, and you're pretty much set. Now the next thing is basically installing the base where you want to mount it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the base up on the handlebar, one of these here, or the giant one in the center. So I'm gonna go ahead install the base. And so I'm using a smaller rubber band that I got from my one of the lights. This is the smaller one. Yes, cable tie. You could put this little foam underneath it, which is basically used so it doesn't wiggle. That I'm gonna basically glue this underneath this thing. So like that, and
guys, I'm gonna be back, okay? I'm just gonna go get some food to eat because I'm hungry.
Okay, guys. Alright, so the base is mounted fairly simple, and at this point I'm going to take the computer and just mount it on. Of course you activate it. There's a pull tab here, so alright, so what you do is you simply put the computer on top of the mount and you rotate clockwise, and that's about it, and then you just do your settings. Okay, Anaya says she wants to show you that she's eating a cheese, a string cheese. Alright, that's basically it, and that's how you install the bicycle computer. I'm gonna go test it now, so if you guys like my video, please hit like and subscribe my channel.
Yep.
For additional videos. And yeah, she likes to show up in there, like she's actually my helper, so thank you for watching, guys.